Hi, this is Jenny Powers, author of Empowered, The Woman's Guide to Following Your Heart, creator of the YouTube channel Jenny Powers, and woman on a mission to change the world. So, the next truth in my book is one that actually has made me think about a lot of stuff that I'm sharing, and it's called Discover Your Destiny. I love to let my mind wander, to let it roam, to let it run freely throughout the corners of my imagination without telling it where to go. When I do this, I love to see where it takes me. It always reveals something to me about where I truly want to go and what I truly want to do. I did this today and found myself somewhere unexpected. When you close your eyes and allow your mind to wander, to dream, to go exactly where it wants to go without limitations, where are you? This is where you are meant to be, and it is what you are meant to do. It is your destiny. So today, close your eyes and just allow your mind to wander. See where it leads you. Welcome to your destiny. So this one is so interesting because obviously I've been sharing so much about my dream and my vision and all the things that I want to do. And last night I was on a train ride home and I sort of did this. I let my mind wander. And so often I feel like I'm telling my mind where to go. This is my dream. This is my vision. This is what I want to happen. And last night I just allowed my mind to wander. And it was fascinating to me where it ended up. It ended up on the stage and I was accepting an Emmy Award for my talk show. And now I have to clarify this because it has brought up so much in my life. And it's made me think over the last sort of this morning and this night about when I say the next Oprah Winfrey and my talk show, it comes from such a place of obviously I could never be the next Oprah. I could never be Oprah. I can only be me. But the thing that inspires me, and I guess my dream of all of that, you can get focused on the fame and the accolades and the money and all of that stuff. For me, it's not truly about that stuff. It's about the work. To me, Oprah stood for such a positive change in the world. She had such a positive influence on people. She created such enormous things from her passion to help people, women in particular, but certainly everybody. And to the extent that she changed lives is what inspires me about her. So I could sit here and say, who am I to say I'm going to win an Emmy Award? And certainly that's a bold statement and can be taken maybe not in the right light, but the way that I share it from is if this is my destiny, it's my responsibility to own it and to own that it's about creating a show that is all about positive change and all about awakening all of us to our best selves. So it is truly from my heart about the work, about the message, about the mission. And certainly if I'm creating a talk show, an Emmy Award is an indication that you're on the right path and influencing a lot of people. So the awards and all of that stuff, but certainly to have a huge platform means that I'm affecting a lot of lives, and that is my greatest joy. So it's an odd thing to share, to make these statements and to fear that people will take it the wrong way. But the truth of the matter is, when I read this truth, Discover My Destiny, I was on that stage representing my talk show. So please know in your life, allow your mind to wander. Let it go. Let it roam wherever it wants to go. You will be astounded where you find yourself. And this is your destiny. Go discover your destiny and live it. Bye.